Welcome to Drone Robo Invention RC. Today, we will learn about the work of .4 drones created by us. V22 Osprey. It is a double-engine drone. It is capable of vertical takeoff and landing. F7BG. It is a single-engine drone. It is capable of horizontal takeoff and landing. Sukhoi Su-34. It is a double-engine drone. It is capable of horizontal takeoff and landing. These drones have cameras for surveillance. V22 Osprey. It is a double-engine drone. It is capable of vertical takeoff and landing.
We have designed these drones to resemble real planes by naming the drones after real planes. If there are any mistakes in this video, please forgive us. Stay well, everyone. Stay healthy. Welcome to the next video. Allah Hafiz.